Here is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz Vito, and I will show you how to replace the heater blower resistor in just 6 easy steps. If you have noticed that the switch of the fan speed on your Mercedes-Benz Vito or Viano 2008 to 2013 only works on a certain speed or on the last speed, 5, then you probably need to replace the resistance sensor of the heater blower fan. Tools and parts required: a Torx T20 heater blower resistor. 1. Remove the plastic covers from the storage space above the dashboard and unscrew the 2 screws using a T20 Torx. Two. Remove the storage space to access the resistor. You can already see the heater blower resistor. It is held in by a single screw. As you can see, the person who replaced the resistor before preferred to cut the plastic grill, but it can also be removed without cutting anything. Three. Unscrew the bolt from the resistor using a T20 Torx. 4. Disconnect the resistor plug by pressing the 2 clips on the sides. 5. Remove the resistor and replace it with a new one. We apologize for the missing part of the video where we actually remove the resistor from the car. This is what the old resistor looks like. You can also search for it by the following code: 9ML3513322201. You can find the heater blower resistor for Mercedes-Benz Vito and Viano below in the video description. Six. Reinstall all other parts. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.